Jocelyn.
I'm Cahaya.
I'm Belva. Today we are presenting about blood, their structures, parts, and others.
The human heart is cone-shaped and located in the left chest cavity. It is protected by two pericardial membranes filled with fluid that reduces friction. The heart has four chambers, the right and the left atria at the top, and the right and the left ventricles at the bottom. The tricuspid valve separates the right atrium and the ventricle. The bicuspid valve separates the left atrium and ventricle, and the semilunar valve is between the left ventricle and the aorta. The vena cava carries carbon dioxide-rich blood to the right atrium. The pulmonary artery sends it to the lungs. The pulmonary vein brings oxygen-rich blood to the left atrium, and the aorta distributes it throughout the body.
How the heart works. The heart functions as our blood pumps when it beats. The heartbeats can be felt in the arteries located under the surface of our skin, which is in neck and wrist. During our lives, the heartbeats of 60 until 80 times per minute, namely contraction and relaxation. Contraction means the heart pumps blood throughout the body from the left ventricle. The state when the heart contracts is called systole. The normal systolic pressure is 120 millimeters of mercury. Relaxation or rest means blood enters the ventricle of our heart. The state during relaxation is called diastole. The normal diastolic pressure is 80 millimeters of mercury. The heart works in three stages. First, the atrium expands so that the blood enters the atrium. Second is the atrium contracts so that blood enters the ventricle. Third, the ventricle contracts so that the blood accesses the heart.
Factors that can affect the heart's performance include 1. Parasympathetic nerves inhibit heart contractions or heart rate. 2. Sympathetic nerves stimulate and accelerate the heart rate. 3. Physiological or emotional factors. The feeling of shock or fear of can increase the heart rate. 4. Muscles or hormones. The drug ephedrine and the hormones adrenaline or non-adrenaline can accelerate the heart rate.
Both files count of layer their outer layer, the main layer, and the in layer based on the direction of both files are divided into arteries, veins, and capillary arteries carved away from the heart, veins carved toward the heart, while capillaries contain arteries and veins and serve as the center of the exchange of substances between blood and body tissue.
There are two kinds of veins, the superior vena cava, upper large vein, and the inferior vena cava, lower large vein. The superior vena cava carries blood from the head and arms to the right atrium of the heart. The inferior vena cava carries blood from the body and legs to the right atrium of the heart. Veins have elastic layers that are thinner than arteries. Veins are located close to the surface of the body, and if they get cut, the blood does not flow up easily. Capillaries are the place where oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nutrients are exchanged. Capillaries connect directly to body cells so the blood can reach the cell.
Small blood circulation. Pulmonary circulation is the process where oxygen pure blood from the right ventricle flows through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. In the alveoli, carbon dioxide is released and the oxygen is absorbed into the blood. The oxygen-rich blood then flows through the pulmonary veins to the left atrium of the heart. This process is called pulmonary circulation.
Major blood circulation. First of all, the muscle wall of the left ventricle contracts and the tricuspid valve closes, allowing blood flows into the aorta. From the aorta, blood flows through the branches of the arteries, various organs and tissues throughout the body, including our heads and trunks, except the heart and lungs. In the body's tissues, there are oxygen and nutrients diffusion, and also carbon dioxide and waste product substance diffusion. After the exchange of substance, blood flows into the venules, then into the vena, and back to the right atrium of the heart via big vena. This blood circulation from the heart throughout the body and back again to the heart is called systemic circulation.
The heart, third-called system consists of large arteries and both intercalated arteries which supply oxygen and nutrient to the heart muscle. The user vault is covered by the coronary vein and returned to the heart. If the coronary arteries become blocked by rot, the blood flow to the heart may desert or stop, causing the heart tissue to lack oxygen. If the blockage occurred in a small area, that party may die. However, if it happens in a large area, it can be fatal.
Blood is a tissue made up of many kinds of cells and liquid. The composition of blood can show a person's health. The function of the blood is regulate body temperature, carry metabolic substances, kill germs, distribute hormones and enzymes, maintain body pH, and close wounds. Blood plasma is the liquid part of the blood that has a yellow color. It contains about 95% water, protein, other organic compounds, and inorganic salt, mainly NaCl. Plasma without fibrinogen is called serum. Its functions are to control the blood osmotic pressure, carry nutrition, metabolic waste, excretory products, and some gases.
Erythritol or red blood cells are the most common blood cells compared to white blood cells and platelets that are floated in the blood marrow and along both. Their cell is round and concave in the center, without at nucleus, allowing the to carry oxygen more efficiently. Air the cold contains hemoglobin, a pigment that gives blood its red color and further to bin oxygen for the lungs to discover throughout the body. The iron in hemoglobin plays an important role in oxygen beginning. Oxygen is the user from oxygen of learning to provide energy. When the wasted bulk carbon dioxide is carried back to the lungs to be exhaled.
Leukocytes function to protect our body from bacterial and virus infection that can cause various diseases and also act as our antibodies. Leukocytes are not fixed in shape or amyloid, and they can penetrate capillary walls or diapedesis. Leukocytes have a lifespan of 12 until 13 days. They are colorless and have a nucleus. Each millimeter cube of blood contains 5,000 until 10,000 leukocytes. Their number increases when there is an infection. The amount of leukocyte exceeding the normal range is called leukocytosis, while the amount of leukocyte below the normal range is called leukopenia. There are 5 types of leukocytes. First, monocytes, second, basophils, third, neutrophils, fourth, lymphocytes, and the last one is eosinophils.
Platelets are irregular, nucleus-free cell fragments about 2 until 3 millimeters in size, formed from larger bone marrow cells. They live for 7 until 9 days, with about 200,000 until 400,000 per cubic millimeter of blood, and play an important role in blood clotting.
The ruptured platelets will release the enzyme thrombokinase. This enzyme will convert prothrombin into thrombin with the help of calcium ions and vitamin K. Then, thrombin will stimulate fibrinogen to produce fibrin threads. This collection of threads will form a mesh-like structure that can catch red blood cells so they don't come out of open blood vessels. First up is blood type A. Someone can have blood type A because of their erythrocytes contains agglutinogen A.
Blood type B. If a person's red blood cells contain gluten B.
Blood type AB. If a person's red blood cells contain agglutinogens A and B.
Blood type O means the red blood cells do not have agglutinogens A or B.
Phlegm is a clear, slightly yellowish fluid derived from the blood plasma that accesses blood vessels. Lymph has a composition which is similar to blood plasma and contains leukocytes, fibrinogen, and platelets. Lymph from the body's tissues returns to the bloodstream through the lymphatic vessels. Lymph flows into small and open-ended vessels called lymphatic vessels or lymphatic capillaries.
Spleen. The spleen, located behind the stomach, helps defend the body by eliminating germs. It also produces leukocytes, stores blood, and breaks down the damaged red blood cells.
Tonsils are located around the entrance to the throat pharynx. Their function is to collect and remove pathogens that enter the pharynx through food or air. The palatine tonsils are the biggest and the most often infected ones, commonly known as amandel.
Anemia is a cold sweat in which the body lacks hemoglobin. Causing body lacks hemoglobin, causing the person to feel tired, pale, and short of breathing. It many other due to their red blood cell production caused by bone marrow damage of lack of blood. The type of anemia in causes A. Hemorrhagic anemia caused by excess blood loss. B. Nutritional anemia caused by intradeficient to low hemoglobin production. C. Peritoneal anemia caused by a lack of vitamin B12. D. Sickle cell anemia caused by genetic factors that result in abnormally shaped red blood cells that are filled and everything broken.
Next is polycythemia. Polycythemia is a condition where the amount of erythrocytes exceeding normal limits, causing the blood to become thick. Next is leukemia or blood cancers. It occurs due to excessive or abnormal production of leukocytes, so that the leukocyte cells do not mature and the immune function is not optimal. And fourth is hemophilia. It is a condition where bloods have difficulty clotting. It is usually a genetic disorder.
Thrombocytopenia. Thrombocytopenia is a condition where the number of platelets is below normal. High blood pressure or hypertension. Hypertension happens when the systolic pressure is higher than 150 millimeters of mercury and the diastolic pressure is higher than 90 millimeters of mercury. Low blood pressure or hypotension. Hypotension happens when the systolic pressure is less than 120 millimeters of mercury and the diastolic pressure is less than 80 millimeters of mercury.
Next, there's varicose veins. Varicose veins are enlarged veins caused by the venous valves not functioning properly, this inhibiting blood flow to the heart. Next, there's atherosclerosis and arteriosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is the accumulation of fat in the arteries, while arteriosclerosis is the accumulation of calcium in the artery walls. And last but not least is heart attack. About 1 in 5 people over 60 have heart attacks caused by factors like high cholesterol, hypertension, smoking, obesity, diabetes, and genetics. Here are some tips to prevent diseases of circulatory system. First, exercise regularly. 2. Avoid fatty food or fast food. 3. Think positively. And 4. Balance work and rest.